If you have a shop on your website, then your product page is the moneymaker. Most people will decide to purchase your product or not based on the strength of your product page. Hi everyone, I'm Kelly Sparks, and today I'm going to teach you how to optimize your WooCommerce product page to help you to sell more. The first thing that you need to improve is the imagery. It's the most crucial aspect of your product page. Poor quality, grainy photos will make the visitor lose trust in your brand. A brand product photographer can do wonders here, but if you don't have the budget for that yet, then ensure that your photos are bright, well lit and sharp, and keep consistency throughout your website. Make sure that you've got more than one photo. You want to show different angles, perhaps add a video if possible, so that they can really get a feel for your product. Let's take a look at Amazon, and I've been looking at this Dior serum. And as you can see, there's some photos here, but they're a bit grainy. You see when I go in, they're a tiny bit grainy. The box looks a little bit old-fashioned. If I click on this blob here, it looks a bit dark and a bit grainy. And this is a £75 product, so it's not cheap. However, if we look at the same product over here on John Lewis, then it's super glossy. Can you see that? Can you see how lovely that blob of it is? And you can zoom in and you can see there, look at that, look at the shine on that in comparison to the other one. And here we've got the full range. And that just makes me have more trust, and I'm more likely to spend my £75, which is an awful lot of money, through John Lewis than I am through that product on Amazon. So number 2 is social proof. So you want to show social proof throughout your website, but especially on your product page, because this is going to give people more trust in your product. So if I go back over here to John Lewis, you can see there's a review section. So there's a star rating and a number of reviews. And if I click on that, then I can read all the reviews here. And that could be the difference between me buying it and not buying it. Now that's all very well for a company like John Lewis, who've got lots of customers. I mean, even this one's only got 4 reviews. But if you're just starting out and you don't have many reviews, then if we go over here to Joko, you can see that they don't have reviews and stars up here, but they have a super simple review down here, lovely designed. And that is just as powerful as the other one. And actually, you might decide that you want to do something like that dependent on your brand. Maybe it's better for your brand to have a lovely review like this than the star rating. So it's totally up to you, but just have something to help customers understand that other people have bought this before you. If you have Elementor, then that makes it super easy to customize your product page and customize each one individually. But you can also use a plugin like WooCommerce Product Reviews Pro that will make it super easy if you want to add a star rating and reviews in that way. So the next one is create urgency. So if we go back to my serum on John Lewis, the quantity left in stock here says there's only 9 left in stock. That creates urgency, as I feel like there's not many left. You know, maybe they're going to run out, so I need to go and buy it. And also it makes the user believe that the product is really popular. Even if there was only 10 in stock to start with, thinking there's only 9 left now makes you want to buy it even more, especially if it's down to like 2 or 3, because you feel if you do go away and think about it, is when you come back, the product might have sold out. Number 4 is write concise product descriptions. So this should detail out all of your product features. You can even split it out into sections, write the features in bullet points, and add headings. In fact, adding headings is a really good idea for SEO. And it means if someone's skim reading, then they'll be like, oh yeah, I want to know the features, I want to know how it's sized, or anything like that. You could write that into the product detail. And if you use a tool like Grammarly.com, that can check your grammar and your spelling, as errors can be a real red flag for potential customers. And again, it can make you lose trust with them. And the next one is upsell. So you should always upsell on your product pages. Adding a you may also like section with related products. So here on Tiptique, there's this you may also like feature, and it shows similar products to the one I'm looking at. So if I haven't actually added to my cart yet, then I might, for whatever reason, say I thought actually I don't want that. By scrolling down, I'm like, oh, actually, this is the one I wanted, the red one. And then it's like jogging my memory or making me think I'm going to check out that one and see the scent on that one. But the great thing on this particular website is this may we suggest. So they know I'm looking at this beige fragrance, and they've suggested a different size candle here in the same fragrance. They've suggested room spray in the same fragrance. They've also suggested a candle that's suitable for indoors and outdoors. So if I'd looked at that one and I was actually looking for an outdoor candle and I didn't find that, then here we go. I've got it, and I can click on that and add that one to my cart. But the great thing is that they do things like candle snuffers. So I might not have even realised that I needed a candle snuffer until I see this. Or if it was a gift and I wanted to add a bit more money, then I could add the candle snuffer on as well. And also a candle wick trimmer. Who knew you needed that for a candle? And the final way you can improve your conversions on your product page and also your average sale value on your product page is to add bundles. So if we go over here and have a look at Ralph & Co. I was recently looking for a dog collar for my new puppy, and here you can see the dog collar, and I can see the price and the size, and I can just add that to cart. Perfect. But then my eye is dragged down to this select a bundle for 15% off. So I've got a puppy, and actually, yeah, maybe I do need the lead. I do need a lead, and it would be really nice to have a lead that matched the collar. And even if I had another lead, I might think, oh, maybe I do need that lead. And it's not something I was looking for, but here I am buying a lead as well. And also a poo bag holder. Every puppy owner needs a poo bag holder. And then I needed a bed for my office. So she's got a bed for downstairs, but I don't have a bed up here in my office. So I need to get her a bed as well. And even though I wasn't thinking about getting a bed when I came on this website, all I was thinking was, I need to get a dog collar. I could end up buying a dog collar, lead, poo bag holder and a bed, and vastly increasing the sale for Ralph & Co. They've actually added a discount as well, which is another great idea. So if I buy all of this, then they're going to give me 15% off. So I feel like I'm getting a good deal on the collar that I was going to buy anyway. So I could end up spending a lot more, but feeling better when I leave the shop. So really great example there. And if I didn't like that one, even better, they've got a different one here, and different type of dog bed, same thing, so I can choose something else. But it all matches, look, it's all Dalton, so how cute is that? I hope this video has helped you identify some ways that you could improve your product pages. Please let me know in the comments below, and let me know if you have any questions as well. Thank you so much for watching, but don't forget to like and subscribe before you go, so that you'll be notified when my next video comes out, and I'll see you again soon.